What's up guys, welcome back to GTech Finance. So we're here for another update on the stocks. So the US stock futures were mixed early Monday morning as Wall Street took to bounce back from a losing week. So contracts tied to the Dow Jones declined 112 points. Meanwhile, those for the S&P 500 were little changed, almost nothing, and the Nasdaq traded in positive territory. So the move in futures comes after the three major indexes lost ground last week. So the Dow and the S&P slipped on Friday to finish the week down 0.5% for the Dow and 0.8% for the S&P 500 respectively, breaking two-week winning streaks, and the Nasdaq Composite rose on Friday but still finished the week within 0.8% loss. The struggle for the stocks came as bond yields jumped again last week, and that pressured the tech stocks and growth stocks as usual, and that led the market back from its pandemic-sparked sell-off last year. On Sunday, futures for the price of the 10-year Treasury note rose, indicating lower yields. Even with the weakness last week, the S&P 500 and Dow are still very near record highs, and the Nasdaq isn't too far off either. Darryl Cronk, Chief Investment Officer of Wells Fargo's Wealth and Investment Management, said the stock market still appeared to be on track for a multi-year climb. I quote, "If you went down the list and started putting boxes of check, you would look at this in a vacuum and say it looks like an early recovery cycle that's roughly a year and that probably has a number of years yet to run," Cronk. That's what Cronk said. Optimism about the markets and the path of the US economy has been growing as vaccines are rolling out across the country, with the pace of Americans getting shots climbing in recent weeks. Several states are seeing an increase in COVID-19 cases, however. Over the weekend, industrial sectors produced a major piece of corporate news. Canadian Pacific Railway announced that it was buying Kansas City Southern in a deal that valued almost $25 billion, creating a rail giant that connects Canada, the United States, and Mexico. On the economic data front, investors will get another look at the housing market on Monday when the National Association of Realtors releases existing home sales for February. Economists surveyed by Dow Jones are projecting a decline of near 2.8%. So projected for kind of a loss this week yet again. So as we know, Treasury bond yields went back up, which is bad for tech stocks. So we had Tesla that went down a bit, and we know that in China, Elon Musk said that he'd be shut down if he used his car to spy, which really wasn't very good news. And Bitcoin's down 1.2% approximately today. Facebook's up 4% though, and we have some stocks that are up. Voyager closed at a 8% increase, and just wanted to tell you that I started mining a new cryptocurrency known as Pi. So it's still at stage 2. It's not done yet. There's still 3 stages to go. So till now it's kind of easy to mine. It can't be sold yet. Will soon be. We have some backstagers that are trying to sell it for like $10 a coin. So here is the app. So I have 5 Pi coins till now. This is my mining speed of around 0.22 Pi an hour. And if you want to get in, I'll put a link down below in the description. That's just in case you're interested. And you can use my invite code, and it would help us. It would help you massively. And I think that's it for today. It was just a quick update on the stocks. So we are probably for a week like this one a bit cagey. Some stocks up, others down. And that's it for today. So if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and folks, hope to see you next time.